Well, it's Sunday, April 24th, I think. Yeah. Kind of cloudy and overcast. Been getting a lot of rain here this last week. Just enough to keep everything good and wet. And when it isn't raining, the wind's blowing like today, about 45 miles an hour. Did manage to get my yard mowed yesterday for the second time this year. That's about enough of that for this year. I'm already sick of it. 3 hours of my day wasted, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But I've been seeing some of the folks I like to watch, they're putting their garden videos on already, and we've kind of been getting at it here in between rain and wind and everything else, and as time allows. So maybe I just go out and we'll see what we've done here. It's, like I say, it's blowing like crazy today, so you probably won't hear a word I say, which is probably a good thing since I don't have anything interesting to say. Right, puppy dog? Right, puppy dog? See, she even walks away from me sometimes. Well, let's go out in the wind here, and if you can't hear what I say, sorry. I just gonna take a look around. Well, the wife's flower garden is coming along slowly here. Stuff's starting to emerge. Got some of our little whimsical things out here that just make us smile when we need to chuckle out. It's a new thing, hedgehog, eyes light up at night. Usually inside and in bed before it gets too dark out anyways. The wife, she got her irises all moved and divided and took some in to sell at the nursery. I don't know. That's her deal. But stuff's starting to pop there. Fern leaf peonies are coming on good, and a bunch of other stuff. Our garlic, it wintered over pretty good. It's up about a foot now. Pulled the straw off of it the other day. Last weekend we got our potatoes in. Got 5 rows this year, only not quite 40 feet long. That's, I think we had maybe 150 hills. That's about half of what we normally plant, but it's just getting to be so much for just the two of us. We still got canned potatoes left from last year. And we end up either getting rid of a lot of them, giving them away, or else they are over, so let's cut back a little bit. And we got some onion plants in. They're looking a little crispy. We got more to put in. That's just a little start here. Right out on the end. It's supposed to storm again today. I got a lot here to till yet. This is going to be where our tomatoes, more onions and peppers and all that go. It's about 90 feet by, I don't know, what do we got here? Maybe 25 feet, I don't know. Cherry trees starting to blossom. Apple trees, they're a little slow coming on yet. But got in a row of peas. Got the fence put up. Did that last weekend? Yeah, I believe it was last weekend. I think about 60-foot long row. It won't be long and they'll start to show their little sprouts coming up. Out. Raspberries, transplanted some. Transplanted some rhubarb. Let's see, I gotta look here. Blueberries. And we'll see about that. Honeyberries. And raspberries that got transplanted. them dandelions. They just come up and violets. Planted a Concord seedless grape in there. We'll see how that does. Horseradish should start to come up. This whole little area here is going to be completely covered with it by the time it comes around. And asparagus, something we wait for all winter long, it just started coming up last week, and when it decided to go, it decided to grow. Got 2 rows of it here, about 75 feet long, and it's coming on. I need to get a bucket and a skizzers out here and pick it again today. And that's going to be our sweet corn. There's no big hurry on that. I don't know what the soil temperature is around here yet. There's no big hurry. Had to take the glass off of these 2 cold frames here because getting a little bit on the warm side in there, but onions are doing good. Got some lettuce and radishes here. Just a little something to get earlier, but that's not a big priority for me. That's my wife's little project. Boy, the dandelions are sure liking it. Got them coming up everywhere. I was a little late checking the greenhouse today. It's been overcast, and I didn't think it'd be too warm in there. But I walked in here about an hour ago, and looked at the thermometer. It said it was 114 degrees in here, so I thought I better open the door. I don't know, what do we got here now? Why? Oh, okay, I see. I didn't push the right button. Still says that. That must have been how warm it actually got. Okay, well, that's technology that I'm not up on, I guess. But got some peppers going in here. Finally got them moved out from in the house. Peppers, tomatoes, basil, parsley, rosemary, more peppers, cabbages, broccoli, a little bit of everything. Some of the stuff will just get bedding plants, but that's stuff that grew from seed in the house. Not a lot, but still kind of a mess in here. It's been a slow spring around here. Of course, as you get older, you get a little slower anyway, so what are you gonna do, huh? Oops. I don't know what she's looking at. She's looking at me, looking at her. Jeez Louise. But anyway, that's about it going on around here. Hope everybody else is doing good. I think I better go find me something to do here. Hopefully something easy, because I got a big day of work tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. Well, shoot, I almost forgot. I needed to check this pork roast put in a crock pot this morning here and see how it's doing. But, ooh, steamy. I guess I don't have to put any liquid in there, huh? How'd that steam me over? Ooh, shoot. Too bad YouTube don't have smell-o-vision. That smells good. Won't be going to bed with an empty belly tonight, I'll guarantee you. All right. See y'all later.